Ayi vatsonga ka hina manyanga tse ta komisa se namuntlha na vulavula swin'wanyana swi na nkoka ngopfu leraro it's the commercial side ya music wa Xitsonga because music wa Xitsonga wa swi tiva a wu xavisi ngopfu. Most of them they don't care about royalties online, so the only way lo music wa Xitsonga wu nghenisaka mali yona, the main way lo music wa Xitsonga ta artist nghenisaka mali yona, it's through events. And since kusungula ku rhuketelaniwa 2015 2014, these events are slowly falling apart. Why? They are falling apart because of the way in our secretary to construction. And if I just maybe because if I did look on, but it's out of excitement. So let me just say the main people who have had equal contribution in running our events is Mr Post and Benny Mayengani. I will explain how these people have contributed mainly in running our events. Firstly, there was a time la Benny Mayengani angaza akutshela vanhu ku loko mbona nomzamo na bot wa yena va kha va performa mi va ba. Knowing Benny Mayengani is one of them, actually is the most influential song artist at this stage. Mungu ren loko mbona nomzamo na bot wa yena va performing va trap. That's where it started. La Mr Post anga na yena se anga sungula ku chava ka ti event la nga sungula ku bukuteliwa. It was because of that. Then they came a stage, so it's actually a timeline of what happened. Then came a stage like Mr Post anga gaina much more similar fan base, and it was that time 2015 album. That's where the team got bigger and bigger. And when the team got bigger and bigger, let's fight back. We can't just stand at the view. And that's where the fight started. Last year, look, Benny Mayengani stage and sometimes the first time I experienced Benny Mayengani, I was sure it was I think it was 2015. Kakuma album we kamalamlele don't pay eyes. Luckily ambale a condol. So that's where it started on the event time. That's why much malamlele. That's two my event organizers. The only person who's brave enough on that event around malamlele is King Chauke. That's our community lane. We did another one. It is 16. I know you don't know it yet, but you will know it. But then let me continue. So the first reason why the event did to O'Neill, it's because of that beef. That beef yaku na brando ka ku loko shit swi onhakeni ka event loko sasekini, because Benny Mayengani branded this shit. Yeah, shut down, be shut down quick. In the meantime, we will shut down, we will look for secretary. Baba too excited, look too excited, se ba sungula on a property and loyaling and loka yona event. Ba sungula ku arrange na security. Let's also look shut down. There is no control of that place. Anything can happen. And look what last pick up from Banasona, and that's shut down. Let's not have a so many like a tower that MLFM as well. So the branding of Will Savage is a nice thing. It's killing his events. Let me give you an example. If you watched the video before last, like me a poster, and Lesia Yewulugu National Music motivated. I don't wanna say Kukurumuvanu Mr Post. I don't wanna say Ivan love for Mr Post. I don't wanna say Ivan our quarter to Benny Mayengani and guy for Mangi. But the name that's fair. Why should I so many names? Because those people were angry people. Crucial corner is long as Quatella and the rest to do with music. So we papalata go on at the event. So she never never secretary. We papalata go on at the event. Let's not get too excited. Look at this stage. Yeah, you can go. Post, Benny. but then respect the property there. Respect the property yaleyo iba kuyibekela ukwalawo ibakha at the same time you protect your artist. Just imagine one day if Benny Mayengani aku batsikeni bataka mina and there are few guys in the front lava nga plan ukubala kungibabisa batangibabisa swi nga tlhela swi ya swi vavisana yena. So another thing lexi ndava ku xivula ne you're gonna say I love you more whatsoever, but then andzi tshama ni va ndhawini kumbe ni vona ti-video laha ku nga na incident ya ku Joyce Rimane a jamukela vaseketeri leraro vaseketeri va za va la ku bukutela yena kumbe artist leyi a va ku a ri na some sort of conflict na yena, you see. But then Mr Post na Benny, they're always around that thing. There was a time la Benny Mayengani loko a perform but kunene because a chana vaseketeri va yin'wini se a va swi lava ku a chika. This is because a swi tiva ku loko a chika yena va ta endla swin'wana swi nga laveki swi nga affecta na yena se a siya vanhu at risk a tlhela tsutsuma. And most of these two events ti to ti nga reported na ku vaviseka ka vanhu na ku fa ka vanhu as well. So I think we should stop the spirit ya ku onha the event ta hina with too much excitement na ku va careless in terms ya ku isungula ku bukutela artists letwani. Sometimes as human we must use our thinking. These guys are not immune to being wrong. To Benny and Mr Post, they're not our identity santa yeso our mangwe na yeso. There sometimes la Mr Post ngata swi tokoloka bala thaka na Benny o swi tokoloka bala thaka leswi ngata cause division. Even what Mr Post said might have motivated leswi ngomelela pumps so loko of ko bala mina pumps bata kuba bata ona ndawo, you see. But then anyways, man I know question on that is because I know they watch these videos. No one said that I know you watch. So let's stop with honor only main income at the artist ina hikuya endla savage tsoka byi nga nge kona ti event organizers ti nga ta chava ku endla ti event atindhawini to taleto ahe mi go subscribe kwalaho ivi se hlangana at the Rest Lodge at the 10th April. Shop. Can see. Aye.